Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos, tutorials, and exclusive content just for you. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating awesome videos. All right, let's get started. AI, it's a buzzword, right? But it's also a game changer. Think of AI as a really smart computer program. It learns from data just like we do. But AI can analyze way more data, way faster than any human. That means it can spot patterns we miss. And that's powerful. Why should you care? Because AI is changing everything, especially how we make money. Real estate, investing, taxes. AI is shaking things up. It's making processes smarter and faster. This means more opportunities for those who pay attention. Ignore it, and you'll be left behind. This isn't about robots taking over. This is about using technology to our advantage. It's about making smarter decisions faster. So let's dive into how AI is impacting real estate, investment, and taxes. Real estate is about to get a whole lot smarter. We're not just talking about fancy smart homes, although AI does play a role there too. Imagine walking into a house and having the lights adjust to your liking automatically. That's AI in action, but it goes beyond that. AI is changing how we buy, sell, and even invest in real estate. Ever spent hours scrolling through listings? AI can do that for you, finding properties that match your exact needs and budget. No more wasted time. And for investors, AI can analyze market trends, predict property values, and even identify the best areas to invest in. It's like having a team of analysts working for you 24/7. The future of real estate is here, and it's powered by AI. Investing can be intimidating. Stocks, bonds, crypto. Where do you even begin? AI is changing the investing game, making it more accessible and potentially more profitable. Think of it like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. AI-powered robo-advisors are already helping people invest smarter. These platforms use algorithms to analyze your risk tolerance and create a personalized investment portfolio. No more relying on gut feelings or outdated advice. But it's not just about picking stocks. AI can analyze massive amounts of financial data to identify trends and opportunities that humans might miss. This can help you stay ahead of the curve and make more informed investment decisions. Section 4, AI and taxes. Efficiency and optimization. Nobody likes doing taxes. It's time-consuming, confusing, and let's face it, a bit of a headache. The good news is AI can help here too. Imagine a world where taxes are, dare I say, easy. AI-powered tax software can automate tedious tasks like data entry and calculations, freeing up your time for more important things. It can also help you identify potential deductions and credits you might have missed, saving you money. But the real magic happens when AI is used for tax optimization. By analyzing your financial situation, AI can suggest strategies to minimize your tax liability legally. It's like having a personal tax advisor on call, ensuring you're always paying the least amount of taxes possible. Section 5. Balancing the benefits and risks of AI in finance. AI is a powerful tool. But like any tool, it's important to use it responsibly. There are potential risks to consider. One concern is bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased, the AI's decisions will be biased too. Another risk is over-reliance. It's tempting to blindly trust AI's recommendations. But remember, AI is a tool, not a crystal ball. It's crucial to use your own judgment and do your research. The key is to find the right balance. Use AI to your advantage, but don't become overly reliant on it. Stay informed, ask questions, and be aware of the potential risks. Section 6. The future of AI in finance. Trends and ethical considerations. The future of AI in finance is bright and a little bit unknown. One thing is certain. AI will continue to play an increasingly important role in how we manage our money. We'll likely see even more sophisticated AI-powered financial tools and platforms emerge. Imagine a world where AI can predict market crashes, identify fraudulent transactions before they happen, And even personalized financial advice based on your individual goals and values. That's the kind of future AI could enable. But as AI becomes more powerful, ethical considerations become even more crucial. We need to ensure AI is used responsibly and fairly. That means addressing bias, promoting transparency, and ensuring that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. AI is a game changer, no doubt, but it's up to us to ensure it's a game we all win.